Hi, this is Guru Kiran. Today's topic is menu mastery, building interactive models. Today I'm going to explain why menu matters, understanding menu design, choosing the right menu type, building interactive models, testing and iteration, conclusion, the power of menus. Okay, why menu matters? The art of picking and building interactive models. Menus are essential component of interactive model as they provide users with a clear organized way to navigate through the content. Without a well designed menu, users may become frustrated, leading to a poor user experience. However, picking and building the right menu can be a challenging task that requires careful consideration of various factors such as hierarchy, grouping, and labeling. In this presentation, we will explore the art of menu design and provide practical tips for creating engaging and effective interactive models. Understanding menu design. Menu design is a critical aspect of creating an effective and leading engaging user experience. At this core, menu design is about organizing information in a way that makes sense to users and allows them to easily find what they are looking for. This requires careful consideration of factors such as hierarchy, grouping, and labeling. Hierarchy refers to the way in which menu items are organized and presented to users. Items at the top of the menu should be the most important, while those at the bottom should be the less important. Grouping involves organizing related items together so that the user can quickly find out what they need. Labeling is so important as it helps users to understand what each menu item represents and what they can accept to find when they are clicked on it. Choosing the right menu. When it becomes to choosing the right menu, the type of your interactive model, there are a few factors to consider. Drop down menus are great for conversing space and organizing large amount of content, but can be difficult to navigate on mobile devices. According to menu, are good choice for mobile users as they allow for easy scrolling and navigation but may not be suitable for complex models. Mega menus are ideal for sites with a lot of content and categories but can be overwhelming if not designed properly. Ultimately, the decision of which menu type to use will depend on the specific need and goals. It's important to consider the user experience with make sure your menu is intuitive and easy to use, no matter what type you choose. Building interactive models. When building interactive models, menus are a powerful tool to help users navigate and interact with the content by organizing information into clear categories and providing navigative options. Menus can greatly enhance the user experience. One key consideration when design menus is to ensure that they are consistent throughout the model. This means using the same labeling convention, grouping similar items together, and maintaining a clear hierarchy of information. Additionally, it is important to consider the size and placement of menus to ensure they don't distract from the main content. Testing and iteration. Testing and iteration are crucial component of menus design. By testing your menu with user can gather valuable feedback on what works well and what needs important. This feedback can then be used to make iterative changes that improves the user experience. When gathering the user feedback, it's important to ask open-ended questions that allows users to provide detailed responses. Additionally, it's helpful to observe how users interact with the menu in order to identify any usability issues. Once you have gathered feedback, use it to make iterative changes to the menu, such as adjusting the hierarchy or labeling of items. Conclusion. The power of menus. In conclusion, menus are crucial element in creating interactive models that are engaging and effective. By understanding menu design principles such as hierarchy, grouping, labeling, and choosing the right menu type, we can create menus that provide a seamless user experience. Building interactive models using menus requires careful consideration of users' needs and best practice, and testing and iteration essential to ensure success. Menus have the power to simplify complex information and guide the users through the iterative experiences. They can enhance usability and accessibility and ultimately contribute to the success of product or services. As designers and developers, it's important to recognize the value of menus and invest time and resource into creating a thoughtful, effective menu systems. This one. This is all for now. Thank you.